What's good, y'all? It's your boy BallOrFallBird. It's your boy Mr. BallOrFall. It's your boy Mr. Do It All, aka Mr. Everything Under the Sun will get done because your boy is blessed beyond. Listen. We finna go off topic of what I wanted to post today. We're gonna go off schedule. We're gonna go off schedule of what I wanted to post today because with the turn of events yesterday, with the passing of one of my brothers, you feel me? I feel like this video is needed. It's crazy because I had already planned to put this kind of video out where I'm talking about this specific topic that we're gonna talk about today. But with the event that happened yesterday, you feel me, the tragedy of my brother's passing, I feel like right now is a time for me to really speak about it, because at the end of the day, we never know, like I said, when our last breath is gonna be, bro. We never know. So before I even get started, you feel me, I definitely wanna, send my prayers, send my condolences to his family, all of my other brothers, all of, you feel me, anybody that was affected by his passing. Like Quin was a real genuine person, bro. Like real genuine person, bro. Like, bro, if you know Quin, bro, you couldn't look at Quin without laughing. Quin was gonna always come around, make you smile. Quin was gonna always come around and turn you up. And I'm not gonna lie, I hadn't talked to Quin in probably over a year and a half, bro. But I know the last time that we talked, it was nothing but good vibes, nothing but good energy. I know some of my brothers talk to him every day. Some of my brothers talk to him at least once a week. And I'm praying for y'all as well. Like I'm dead ass praying for y'all as well. Like I said, man, Quin was one of a kind, bro. And that's not something that I take lightly because, like I said, like even yesterday, just speaking on purpose, like Quin, I see a lot of people say that he was changing his life. Quin was like getting on his purpose, bro. Quin was really getting on his purpose from what I see a lot of people posting. I see a lot of people talking about how Quin was, kind of like just becoming more of a man, bro. Like, cause if you know Quin, bro, we played all the time, bro. We played all the time, bro. Quin was funny, bro. Quin, always could brighten up the room, bro. But, and not to say that he had lost that, but I from what I see, bro, I see that Quin was really like just becoming more of a man, bro. And I'm so proud of him. I'm so thankful, to God that, he put that turn inside of Quin's life. But before I even start on this topic, bro, I wanna take a moment right quick. Let's take 15 seconds, you feel me? He was number 15. Let's take 15 seconds right quick, just a moment of silence and just, remember what Quin was to us, man. All right, look, may God rest his soul, man. May God rest his soul, man. I know he up there looking down on all of us now, and he proud of all of us, bro. And that's another reason why we gotta live this BallOrFall lifestyle to continue to make our brother proud, bro. Like I got another sense of motivation now, and like I said, that's what I'm gonna hit on today. But to kind of hit on, and y'all excuse me, my allergies, bro. Y'all know I stay in Atlanta, bro. My allergies are crazy. And the pollen count, I think it's the highest that it's ever been. But, just to stay on topic, like I don't want to make this video too long-winded if it don't have to be, man. But I'm gonna speak my mind. And I'm gonna kind of let, like just let the spirit flow. You feel me? Let God flow through me. Like let the things that I gotta talk about be talked about. So one thing that I was, thinking about before I heard of, my brother's passing, because like I said, I didn't hear about it until I was at the Braves game. And I'm thinking about this topic. Like I said, I had already had this topic. I have another video recorded. I'll put that video out, sometime soon. But I wanted to kind of revise it, just because everything kind of just hit me like a bag of bricks yesterday. Like, and it's so crazy because when I was on the way to the Braves game, I just started thinking about more things that I possibly could have talked about in the other video that I had posted related to this topic. So just to go ahead and get started, man, pretty much I felt like I listened to a lot of things and I listened to a lot of people, and I just kind of like just sit back and kind of just see what life be about sometimes, man. And I realized that life is short for a reason, bro. Like it's short for a reason, bro. Like and that's why us living this BallOrFall lifestyle, it's so important that we driven by our purpose, bro, because because of the fact that life is so short, bro. You never know when your last, you feel me, when you're gonna take your last breath. You never know, like, when it's your day. You feel me? You wake up during that day and think everything gonna be good, and you never know. So with that being said, you feel me? It's just like I said, life is short for a reason. Life is short, and it's meant to. We have these times where, you feel me, where unexpected situations happen, where a close friend or a close family member, or, you feel me, just somebody that you like, dang, like, bro was younger than me, Shawty was younger than me. You know, it even happened with like kids, bro. And like I said, rest in peace to everybody's soul, man. Like, if you lost a loved one, if you lost a friend, man, you feel me, I send my prayers and my condolences your way. But with that being said, like, it just makes me think, like, life is short for a reason, bro. Like, I feel like that's why, like, for me, staying on our purpose, bro, getting on our purpose and doing what we got to do is so important to me, bro. It's so damn important to me. It's like, you can't play around in this life, bro. Like, yes, you can go out and have fun. You can go out and kick it with your partners and with your friends and all this kind of stuff, bro. But life is short, bro. When God put us on this earth, bro, or whoever you believe in, bro, when your creator put you on this earth, bro, it was for a purpose, bro. It wasn't just to lollygag and you know, just flow with the wind and flow with, you feel me, like a thistle in the wind, bro. It's not for that. You feel me? That's not to say that you can't have fun. That's not to say that you can't go get lit. That's not to say that, you know, like, life is supposed to just be so, you know, determined and all this other kind of stuff, bro. But when you really think about it, bro, we all here for a purpose. I don't know what my brother Quin's purpose was, bro, but I know he at least feel the purpose of brightening the lives of everybody that he touched, bro. At the very least, he brightened up the lives of everybody he touched. Like I said, you couldn't look at Quin without smiling. You couldn't look at Quin without, oh crap, like, we finna laugh, like something like that. And I'm not saying like he was just goofy, like he was about his business, but it made me think about the fact that, like I said, like, we are here for a reason, bro. And every single day, you got to make sure that you put forth at least that 1%, that 1% to get better at pushing for your reason for being on this earth, bro. Even if you don't know what your reason for being on this earth is, bro, that's the thing. That's when you really gotta, you know, sit back. You know, that's when you gotta get away from other people. That's when you gotta, you know, kind of go goals. That's when you gotta kind of, you know, go by your lonely right quick, so you can figure out what it is that you on this earth for, bro. Like, and I know y'all hear it in my voice right now. Like, I'm becoming passionate about this, like, right now, because, like I said, bro, we're here for a purpose. We're here for a reason, bro. Like, we all got a meaning on this earth, bro, and we got to make sure that we're fulfilling this purpose, bro. Like for me, bro, it's like fulfill our purpose, bro, and it's time to become what it like was really meant for us, bro. And the reason why I say that is because not knowing when your day is gonna come, bro, it's all more of a reason to really just kind of like stay locked in a sense. It's all a little bit more of a reason to kind of be like, okay, like, what am I really here for? What is it that, you know, like, how can I contribute to the world? So when I say like I don't know if Quin fulfilled his purpose for himself, Quin at least fulfilled the purpose of contributing to others, bro. And that's what this channel is for. That's what I made this channel for. Not just necessarily to be the hard ass and be the guy that's, you know, always, you know, hey, we got to be so disciplined and locked in all the time. It's not necessarily that. It's just more so like I got to fulfill my purpose. I have a purpose on this earth, bro. For a long time, I thought football was my purpose. For a long time, I felt like football was the biggest thing in my life, bro. Football was the only thing that could make me cry, bro. You ask anybody around me, bro, ain't nobody really make me cry, bro. But football, bro, let something have been going wrong in football, bro. Real deal tears, bro. So it hit me that's an ego thing. Like, that's an ego thing. Like I wanted to go to the NFL. I wanted to go, you know, be the biggest in the world in football, the best safety in the league, you know, in history and all that kind of stuff, just for myself. And yeah, that may have inspired other people to, you feel me, like other athletes. You feel me? But then my mindset started to shift a little bit. My mindset really started to shift a little bit. And I said, yes, it's gonna be certain people that you know, take my mindset and take, you know, what I've been through in football and kind of put it into the actual perspective of, you feel me, you can't never give up. But the overall concept of who I felt like I was really gonna like, you know, like my story and my influence really gonna reach would have just been football players, when that's a small percentage of the world. Versus where I can come on a platform like this and I can really talk, I can really speak, and I can really, you know, influence others to live a purpose-driven lifestyle, to really live like the BallOrFall lifestyle, bro. Because it don't matter if you're a girl or a boy, bro. You can come out here and you can live this BallOrFall lifestyle. You can get on your purpose. You can stay locked in. You can get locked in and really go make something out your life. Really contribute to other people's lives, bro. You feel me? Like you can get out here and help the homeless. You can get out here and help your family. Help your family. Help put your family on. You see what I'm saying? Like, so like when I think about all that kind of stuff, for me, it's like, okay, bet. Like, okay, bet. You feel me? Like I said, football for me as of right now, like, and I still, like I said, if God put it in my deck of cards for me to go play football again, bro, I'm shooting to it. But now I can do it with a different mindset of, okay, let me make sure that I'm fulfilling my purpose of contributing to the lives of other people, bro. And that's what we're here on this earth for. That's what we're here on this earth for, man. We're here on this earth to be able to contribute to others, bro. Purpose is about something bigger than self, bro. I told y'all in my very first video, bro, if it was up to me, bro, and it is up to me, but if have it my way, bro, I won't make a damn video, bro. I won't make one single video, bro. I don't care to make a video. That's why if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all follow me on any of my other socials, bro, I don't really promote this on no huge level as far as like I don't run ads. I don't be like, hey, y'all please go watch my video. I say, hey, the video is out. The ones that's gonna watch it, the ones that's gonna support, the ones that's gonna tune into it, they gonna do that. And that's gonna be that, man. I don't care how many views this get, bro. I don't care how many likes this get, bro. Because at the end of the day, bro, my purpose is to help people. My purpose is to be here and change the lives of others, bro. And even if that's one person, bro. Even if that's one person, then I can change the trajectory of this earth, bro. I can make somebody else's family line better. I can make somebody else's life better. You feel me? Just to keep it simple. I can make that person better, and then it's a trickle-down effect. When I make that one person better, whether it's the little nigga from the hood, whether that's, you feel me, just the kid that come from the suburbs, but ain't really got no drive in them to really go out here and get on his purpose. Always with silver spoon, always with spoon fed, but then come out here and don't really take life as serious. And then he watched my videos and then he like, well, it don't matter where I come from. It don't matter if I come from the lowest of the lows or the highest of the highs, bro. I got to be out here because I got to fulfill a purpose. You see what I'm saying, bro? Like, you see what that shit say, bro? Get shit done, bro. That's how I feel, man. Get shit done. When I say get shit done, it's fulfilling your purpose, bro. It's fulfilling the purpose that God put you on this planet for, bro. It's fulfilling the purpose that, you feel me, you go out here and you do what you got to do and you stay locked in because you on the way to fulfill a purpose, bro. I got this written down in my notes right here, and a lot of this right now, bro, I'm not even looking at my notes, bro. I'm not even looking at my notes, bro. If y'all seen this paper right now, I would really be embarrassed to put this paper in front of the camera, but I ain't gonna be embarrassed. Look, this paper got 2 things on it, bro. 3. My bad, I wrote something on the back. It's trying to face track. But like I said, bro, I'm reading this right here. I did my first stream on Twitch Friday night. Friday night, I did my first stream on Twitch. I think that Twitch got 5 viewers. My sister, a few of my kids from the school that I taught at McNair. Shout out Jeremy. Shout out Alex. Not Alex. I don't know why I always be thinking Alex, but like that's how I be with football, bro. You get the names of linemen mixed up, bro. Shout out Evans. Shout out Jeremy, shout out Evan, shout out my sister. But yeah, that was that video. I mean, that was that stream. Then last night, we go for 10. We go for 10. I'm like, hey, my brother Trey jumped in. My brother Trey Flowers. You don't know who Trey Flowers is, bro? He come out. He went to Tucker High School, come out to 6, went to the University of Tennessee and balled out as a safety, bro. I feel like me and him was the best safeties in the cab in 2018. You feel me? But just to stay on topic, bro. Imagine, like this is what I thought about. Imagine if I compared my first stream to Casanat. I got 10 viewers. Casanat got 3 million viewers. I don't care about that because that's not the purpose, bro. I'm not here for entertainment all the time. Yes, we're gonna laugh. Yes, we're gonna have fun. But I'm not here for entertainment all the time, bro. I'm here to fulfill a purpose. I'm not saying Kyle Sinat is not fulfilling his purpose, bro. He's fulfilling the purpose of entertaining people because I hear him talk about God a lot. You feel me? So I feel like God put him on this earth to fulfill some purpose for everybody else. He's able to make all this money, get all these viewers and stuff, and put his people on. Eventually, that's what I feel like I want to do. I want to be able to, put other people on. But as of right now, I feel like the purpose is to help. My purpose is to come out here, lend a hand, lend a word. Whatever the case may be, bro. I know when a lot of people look at how long this video gonna be, a lot of people probably click off of it. A lot of people probably fuck around and click off of it, bro. Because they're gonna be like, damn, like I'm at 15 and a half minutes right now. I know a lot of people may click off of it, bro, but for the ones that stay this long, bro, put a 15 in the comments, man. If you still here at this point, put a 15 in the comments, man. And that's for my brother Quin. Put a 15 in the comments for my brother Quin right now. But like I said, bro, like at the end of the day, man, I feel like I know we're all here for a purpose, bro. You're not gonna always have, people that want to push you to be better. You're not gonna always have, like, everybody's not gonna be for you. You're gonna have people that love you and people that hate you. It's gonna be people that if social media is so big to you, it's gonna be people that follow you and unfollow you. Some of them may be close as hell to you, and you be like, damn, but you can't look at that. You can't look at that. That's obviously they not meant for you and you not meant for them. Maybe I don't know, but I just say that to say you got to be locked into the fact of, okay, regardless of who's here with me, how can I fulfill my purpose? How can I find the people that I need on my team to make sure that I fulfill my purpose, bro? For me, I know who I got to keep on my team. For sure. My mama, my sister, for sure. Support me no matter what. My family, majority of my family, support me no matter what. A lot of my brothers, like how I told y'all last night, man, I go ghost for 2 years, and then I come back, and it's nothing but palms and teeth, bro. Palms and teeth, tight dap, strong hugs. Everybody there, you feel me? Like Birds, you been on your shit, yes. Them the folks I need with me. That's gonna understand that, okay, when I go ghost for a little while, he not just going ghost just to lollygag and not be here for us, bro. It's because Bird want to go be on this purpose. It's because the person watching this, you feel me? Whoever you is, bro, you on your purpose right now. You on your purpose right now, bro. Life is way too short, bro. Life is way too short, bro, for us not to be on our purpose, for us not to be fulfilling and contributing to other people, bro. I've been going for 18 minutes, man. I'm not gonna keep going too much longer, bro, but cause I just felt like God put that rush through me right quick. God put that rush through me right quick, and I had to get that out. I had to get that out because it was something that I was thinking about last night, bro. Life is way too short, bro. I'm going to be done right at the 20-minute mark and I'm out. Life is way too short, bro. We got to make sure that we out here. We got to make sure that we fulfilling our purpose, bro. We got to make sure that we getting the things done, bro. Think about all the thoughts and ideas you done had in your head. Who you think gave you them thoughts and them ideas, bro? What you going to do with them? They ain't all them thoughts and ideas in your head. All them thoughts and ideas you done probably put down in your notes app on your phone. When you gonna take the action and go get it? I guarantee that might be your purpose, bro. When I thought about all the businesses I could start to make money to be able to help folks, bro, it's so many things that I've never spoken about, bro. Of ways that I've helped folks and have never spoken about, bro. Homeless people, close friends, family. All that kind of stuff, bro, and have never spoken about, bro. But that's the reason why I started this page, bro, because like I said, inevitably, I want to be able to help folks, bro. I want to become a millionaire. I want to be the first millionaire in my family. But it's not necessarily as an ego thing that I want to be the first millionaire in my family. I want to be a millionaire, period, because the more money I got, the more resources I got, the more I can help people, bro. The more I can say, oh, we finna go give 5,000 to this charity. We finna go give 5,000 to go buy turkeys and stuff for Thanksgiving to feed the homeless around Atlanta, and then hopefully start to branch off to the rest of the world, and then hopefully branch off to everywhere else, bro. That's my purpose. That's the reason why I feel like I'm here, bro. Hey, I got 5 seconds, man. It's your boy BallOrFallBird. It's your boy Mr. BallOrFall, Mr. Do It All. Everything under the sun will get done. Man, I'm out.